to another video. Sorry about the road noise. I am on the search for balut. Balut is a, I don't want to say delicacy. I don't know what to say. It's a traditional food eaten here in the Philippines. It's basically a duck egg that's kind of half developed, and they eat this. So we're gonna go check out grilled balut. And our words for today are going to be been and gone. What's the difference? We're looking at the head and the eyes of the duck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So let's talk about been and gone. And with this one, you definitely need to get it right. Because if you don't, it grammatically just sounds weird. So been is a word we use when we have been somewhere, we have traveled somewhere, spent some time, and returned and come back. So for example, I might say, yeah, I've been to the Philippines. If I say that to somebody, it means that I've traveled there and I've returned. Now, if I say gone, if I say I've gone to the Philippines, it's not correct. The reason why is gone is a word we use when someone has traveled somewhere and they're still there. So for example, if somebody asked me, oh, where's your friend Bill? I might say, oh, he's gone to the store, which means he's traveled to the store and he's still there. He hasn't returned yet. Okay? So that is the difference between been and gone. Really important, those two. All right? Okay. I will see you in the next video.